Welcome to Jumbo Home Ventures. My name is Benson, and today I'll take you through this 3-bedroom apartment in Kileleshwa. This is what 23 million Kenya shillings can get you. Come here. Right here, we get a study area, which is quite nice, and if you'd like, you can get some more lighting to come inside by just pulling in the curtain. You can see these are hidden curtains. They are very, very nice. And get a chair here. So there's two options. You can get this furnished. Obviously, this is staged, but if you want it furnished, you can add 2 million, so you get it for 25 million shillings. But unfurnished is 23 million Kenya shillings. This is the living room right here. And this is the TV area, as you can see. It's actually quite elegant here. You can see the finishes here. This all comes with the house. The gypsum, even the backdrop here, and the lighting that comes with it. Then this is the dining area right here. The dining area, as you can see, it's quite spacious. For the whole square footage of this is 225 square meters, which translates to about 2,420 square footage. This is the kitchen area. You get a sink here, which is quite nice. And then you got the LED panel light here. And then there is the kitchen here. This is the stove. And then the hood right here. This extracts everything that comes here, and it goes outside. It's connected to the ventilation. Then you get a fridge right there. That's a fridge area. These ones, the cabinets, they are well fitted, and as you can see, they don't have any handles because for you to open them, you just, there's a small space here where you can hook them and open them up. And there are quite many here. You can see you can fit everything here you need. You don't need a lot of space. This is more than enough. Then we can go right to the master bedroom, because this is where the master bedroom is where you want to see everything that happens here. As you can see right here is the master bedroom. You got a lot of cabinets here for your clothes. You got a lot of cabinets. This is 1, 2, 3. I think it's 4 sets of cabinets, and they are quite enough for all your needs. You can look at the space. It's quite luxurious right here. And then we can go to the washroom right here. That's a sink for you. That's a washroom right there. And that is the shower right here. And as you can see, the finishes are quite nice. You got the vent right there. And then here you get access to your balcony right here. Obviously, there's another side of the balcony right there, but you don't have access right there. The access is all here. So you come through all here. These are decorations right here and there. And this is where you can chill. You have guardrails to protect your children, for children's safety, so they don't fall off. And you can see the neighborhood right here. It's actually quite nice. It's fresh air. There's a lot of green. That's the master bedroom. You look at the lighting fixtures. They are very nice, very high end. Here on the corridor, you have a nice gypsum for you. Then you get the door right here to go to the other bedroom. See, the quality of that door is actually unmatched. The door frames. This developer used the best finishes. Then you can come into the bedroom. This is our guest bedroom. It's not as spacious as the master bedroom, but it's still nice. It has access to balcony. The balcony right here, just the same as the master bedroom. The light fixtures are also top notch, as you can see. And then there are also wardrobes right here where the guests can put, either the guests or your kids can put their clothes, either folded or you can hang them right here. The bathroom is also big. Oh my goodness, look at that sink. That sink is awesome. It's huge. And then you got the shower here and the toilet. This got a place to hang your towels. This all comes with the apartment. Right, coming this way, we go to bedroom number two, which is also en suite. All the bedrooms here are en suite right here. So it's quite spacious as well. This you can use it for if you have more than 2 kids or for your guests. And then you have the cabinets right here. The cabinetry is actually well done. There's no handles. You just hook here and you should be good to go. And then you can see the panel right here. The backdrop, the lighting is actually very nice. You can also see when you open the door right here, it doesn't knock on this handle does not go ahead and spoil the wall, because there is something here to block the door from doing that. Right here is the common bathroom, right here. And you come back outside to the living room. And then there's access to the balcony on this side. There's access to the balcony, which is actually quite huge, as you can see. There are guardrails right here. And there's also a washing area right here for your laundry. This right here, as you can see, is a water heater for the bathroom right here, for the next unit. And also, as you can see, this washer is a 2-in-1, which is also a dryer. It's a washer and a dryer, so you don't have to hang your clothes around here. So that eliminates the need of clothesline, which will make this place quite ugly. But there's some cabinetry here too. So all this you get for about 23 million Kenyan shillings. Now, if you want it furnished, you can get it for about, if you want it furnished, you can get it for about 25 million Kenyan shillings. Now, here's the thing that you need to know. These units are selling quite fast, and you need to secure your unit. And hold on. One of the things that I noticed was the developer here did not cut any corners. They used top-notch finishes right here, as you can see. When you look at the gypsum, it's well done. Look at the kitchen right there. Look at out here, the decorations. Now, this one does have an SQ, which is right outside here. It's quite spacious for the bed. There's a bed there, and then there's a toilet here and a shower. So you're not living together with your house help. Now we're gonna go and check out the amenities. Now this is amenities right here for this development. They are all on the ground floor. They are all on the basement. Now, when you move right here, you will see that this is kind of more like a reception area. And as you move here, you can see this is a model home for the apartment block. So this is block A, block B, and then block C. So all the amenities are right here by block C, right about here. That's a basement, and so there's a lot of parking spots right here. Actually, the amenities are somewhere here, right? So this is the basement. So this is a parking spot, and the ground level. Now the street is right about out here. The street is right there, and so right now we're in Block C, which is that one right there. Now, this is a lounge area where you can come and relax and hang out here. It's like a break room, and it's actually quite big. There's that, and then this is more like a prayer room, and that's a washroom right here inside. It's like more of a prayer room. It's a quiet room, quiet area. There you go. You got some good lighting right there. As you come outside, there's a locker room where you can put all your stuff right here. When you're going to the gym is right next to the door, next door right here. So this is a locker room where you can put all your stuff. As you can see, the lighting is perfect. The chandeliers, this side and that side. It's kind of more of like an open area. This area right here is more of like a conference area. When you have your guests, maybe you have an event, you have a ratio or something, and you want many people to come, this is where you can host them. And all you need to do is talk to the office and ask them book the area. You literally don't have to pay any fee. If you're a resident of this area, you can use it for free. And it's actually quite spacious. It's this side and that side. It extends all the way right there. And right here is where the pool is. You can walk about right there and see the pool. And as a resident of this place, you don't have to pay for any of this. Actually, that's deducted on the service charge because it has to be maintained. I believe there is a service charge which you can talk with the management and they can let you know what's the service charge based on which unit you take. Right here, we're stepping right into the gym. It's fully equipped. It has everything. You can see these treadmills. You can see, I don't know whether this is a Smith machine. I don't know whether it's a Smith machine. This is a leg press. No, this is the Smith machine. And then you have a lot of dumbbells right here. And this is a cycle machines right here. And yeah, it's fully equipped. And the lighting is actually pretty good. It's well padded here for the gym. Quite padded. If you have a family and you have a kid, you can have your kid be playing right about here when you're working out. This is the children play area. And it's well equipped, as you can see. They're jumping up and up and down. This is where they can do the modeling with all this stuff. This is where they go up and down, climbing. And then on this side, they have some balls and some slides. It's actually quite relieving, if you ask me, when you're working out there and your kid is right here playing and you're not worried about any of shenanigans happening, because there is a 24/7 CCTV right there monitoring all that. So nobody is going to mess with your kid. And I mean, we are hoping that this is going to be, the neighbors are going to be good. One of the best things that you can do is have a good neighbor. And I know you have no control over that, but you hope that you have a good neighbor. Most of these developments that I find are like this. You usually have good neighbors whom you can trust, and all your kids can play together. Let's find out what's right about here. I think this is the washroom for this area. There's women, and then there's men, and there's 3 sinks right here. Let's check them out. They're small. There's two of them, 2 washrooms for women, and then there's 2 here for men, and 2 urinals. And I think that concludes our tour for now. This project is scheduled to be finished on 2027, I believe, in October. And so the units are selling very fast. You should book yours. Make sure you call Jumbo Home Ventures and book your viewing. And you can find out more information right here on the description of this video. Make sure to follow us and on all platforms, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel. That we can get informed. We'll be posting every Friday, and this is all about real estate. And we should take you through Nairobi and show you the best deals that you can get. Now, for that specific unit that we went there, you can rent it out for 180,000 to 200 if you buy it. Let's say, for example, you can come and live here, which is okay. But if you're buying it for investment, you can rent it up for up to 180 to 200,000 Kenya shillings. That's quite a good ROI if you ask me.